Kumshi benta man weng no eka jin khap nya jun ki jaka sumar covid hakeleng ki benta jong kandong ba shilong o menteri ka koi ka khya ba al hek hakasngin kong ulap li paj ba ka covid hospital wala pen kre tb hospital sauli harengkar ka jinya don lang o director ka tana ka koi ka khya dr amanwar na kalyang o menteri ula ongru baya menta shiporan pediang syatang san pongut ginong pang kata apusan shendang ban apusan ki kentai Laya thoro baya menta shipor ka jing sumar kandai shwatang yi gitu ki bashitam mulumala lani ki badan haka category A, B, but C.
It is a step down COVID hospital of the Shillong Civil Hospital. It is inaugurated today to keep here for the A, B and C positive cases. This will less the burden of the hospital, both the government hospital and also the private hospital. So definitely will be ease the burden of all other hospitals. At least some admission will taking from today onward. Today we have inaugurated 50 beds, 25 for male, 25 for females. So within a week maybe we will be ready for another 50 beds. Both for 50 for male, 50 for females. So total step down COVID hospital will be 100 beds here. I have received the information. Definitely, we are going to seek the report on what situation and what is the case that has happened to the date of that loss. Definitely, we are going to seeking the report.